Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to efficiently move multiple apps at once on an iPhone. To begin, press and hold the app you wish to move. This action will trigger the Quick Settings menu to appear. Just continue holding the app and wait for a click sound. Once you hear the click sound, you can begin moving the app. Now, all the apps on your screen will become floating, allowing you to move them freely. To move multiple apps simultaneously, hold one app with one finger and then select or touch the other apps that you want to move. Once you've selected all the desired apps, you can simply move them across the home screen. Furthermore, you can also select multiple apps from multiple screens. Just follow the steps mentioned earlier, and you'll be able to move multiple apps at once effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video.